Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer browser cookies securely using Firefox Container rules, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Firefox on your computer. Ensure you have the Firefox Multi-Account Containers extension installed. If you don't have it yet, visit the Firefox add-on site and search for Multi-Account Containers. Click on the Add to Firefox button to install the extension. Once installed, look for the Containers icon in the top right corner of the browser. Click the icon to open the Containers menu. Here, you will see different container options such as work, personal, and more. You can create a new container by selecting Manage Containers. Click on Create Container and name it according to your preferences. Choose a color and icon to visually distinguish your container. Now that your container is set up, it's time to open a website within it. Right-click on the tab of the site you want to use and select Open Link in Container tab. Choose the appropriate container from the list. The website will now open in a secure container, segregating its cookies from other sites. To transfer cookies from one container to another, you must log into the same account on both containers. Open a new tab in your existing container and navigate to the website. Log in with your credentials as you normally would. Once logged in, you can start transferring the necessary cookies. To do this, copy the URL of the site from the address bar. Open a new tab in the destination container. Paste the URL into the address bar and hit Enter. Log in again using the same credentials. The cookies will synchronize accordingly within the same account. Repeat this process for any other accounts or websites you wish to transfer cookies from. Always ensure you're logged out of any unnecessary accounts in other containers to maintain security. By following these steps, you can securely manage and transfer your browser cookies in Firefox Containers. This method ensures your online activities remain organized and safe across different profiles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.